Put a window there.
We will.
Here.
No, it's in there now. One second.
There's inside of our living room. There's a bird. There's a bird. It's in here somewhere.
First of all, it's Trevor. Jakob, where are you going? You can't open it that way. I gotta go in there and open the windows.
What?
I gotta go. 1 second. I gotta close this. I want more birds. 1 second.
Do you have screens in there?
There's a bird in here, guys.
Well, that's a bird.
Where's the bird?
It's in here
Where
somewhere.
is he right now? Sammy, where is the bird?
It's inside inside the family, inside the TV
I
room.
just have to make sure we can get more birds.
It
All
flew
right.
up from the garage inside.
Where'd it go?
It's in the corner behind the kitchen. There it is. All right.
Screens here. What the heck?
What?
I thought you were in the screen.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Keep this closed.
No, it's in the den.
Heads up, it's coming. Ah!
Turn the lights off here. I think he's getting attracted to the lights. Where are the lights? Where are the lights in here? Shut the lights off in the kitchen.
Oh,
No, don't. Shut the lights off in the kitchen.
where is it?
What? Shut the lights off in the kitchen. How do you turn the lights off in the kitchen?
Lights up? Where is it?
Shut the lights off out here. He's attracted to the lights. How do the lights shut off here?
Right there. Oh.
Oh, my God. What an idiot.
How do you shut these lights off? Sammy, shut the lights off here. Shut the lights off.
Where is it?
Get out! Stop hiding behind the curtain!
Shut one of the lights off.
All right. 1 second. Okay.
Where is it?
It's behind this curtain
Oh.
over here. Stupid bird.
Come that way! Dumbest bird I've ever seen!
Shut the light, Sammy.
So in here?
Yeah.
What? No, then.
Come on.
No, I'm just scared.
Shut it.
It's just sitting there.
Should I turn it back on?
Hang on. I'll throw something at it.
Turn it on.
Turn it on.
Didn't do anything. No, it's just freaked out. Is there like a stick or something that I could just try to move it with? Is there anything here?
Oh,
you're,
Daddy.
No, you're just covering it.
No, that's just gonna ruin the blanket. Oh.
It's true. Probably should clean that.
We got
Is there something in here that I could try to
No, there's a
transport
baseball
it
bat or
with?
something.
What's this?
We're
Here
gonna
we go.
scoop it out.
There we go.
Oh
All right,
boy.
watch out.
Just don't touch the bird.
Don't touch the bird.
Heads up.
Yeah!
I
saw mouse?
No, I thought something bad happened.
Me too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I came running up. The way you were screaming, I thought something like a